because a father is usually the one saying, well, we're not about to do that. Like when I'm like, well, let's just do this for Lauren. Lauren's dad is like, nope, no, no, she doesn't need that. No, we're not doing that. I'd be like, okay, well, that's it. You don't need it, right? But without it, I would be all somewhere else. So, Dr. Angeline, tell me what you think of that. Like sometimes, just that idea. Like if the father is not in the house, sometimes a woman can run amok and do the most, trying to overcompensate.
So, no, I do understand that and I do see it. I'm laughing though, because I'm thinking about my sister, right? And the father wasn't in the home with my niece. My sister wasn't that one that was like, oh, okay. My niece got cussed out. My niece got told off.
Mm-hmm.
But when she went to her grandparents' house, then they tried to do all the overcompensating. And so it caused friction for a minute there,
Mm-hmm.
right? But I also think that what you're saying is so true. Because I remember when my dad said to me, listen, you ain't my daughter. You took for me to be your friend, right? I'm not your friend right now. Okay. That's not
Mm-hmm.
my responsibility of having you right now at this younger age. I have a responsibility to make sure that you're going to know how to go out in this world. You're going to know how to speak. You're going to know how to carry yourself. And so because I had that, and because I had uncles that did the same thing, some of my other friends, I did see how their families were, their moms may have tried to overcompensate because this one down the street, they saw other kids having it.